Hello guys, welcome to my channel GMZone. Here on this video I am going to show you how Smart Network works. The honest review about Smart Network, which I am going to show you guys the real truth all about Smart Network. Yeah, Smart Network is real, is legit. Yeah. Okay, now let's read. Be smart, connect and earn. Smart Network is an online/network marketing community built to provide people with opportunity to take advantage of the internet and turn our everyday social media into a tool for learning and earning, having skills and making passive income. Yes, they already said it here that Smart Network is what? Is an online network marketing. Another link for this, they say it is an online/network marketing. Maybe it's an online marketing or network marketing, which can also hereby means Smart Network is an affiliate marketing, meaning that if you cannot refer someone to join Smart Network, then there is nothing coming to you. I am going to explain why it's like that. Let's go further more. Let's not read all this. Let us move here. Smart Network is for all, meaning that all that's typically leaded as an affiliate is a passive for your niche and strong persuasive and commitment to make a living through networking. For a business, Smart Network offers a much needed scale without accessing large advertising budgets. Everyone successful cash out can be much more better than a traditional marketing campaign or even highly effective online advertising campaign. So they say I have already said it's an affiliate marketing. You can see it here boldly. It's an affiliate marketing program because you have to refer someone. Smart Network is by referrals. You can't just go into the Smart Network platform and you say want to register. Before you can be able to register, you need to meet with someone to give you a coupon code. That coupon code is what will assess you in order for you to register on that Smart Network. And once you are registered also, normally there's some bonus that will come to you. I know that for sure. I'm going to explain that very soon. That will come to you if you continue with me in watching this particular video. Then you can be able to understand physically and truthfully and the honest review which I'm going to give you about Smart Network. So as we move on, they say we are sure you've heard of this term before, which is affiliate marketing. It is essentially an advertising model in which we reward third-party individual. Who are the third party? It is us that register under Smart Network. Are you getting it? It is us that bought the coupon code under Smart Network. We are the third party, and those people who want to refer for them to get the coupon code, they will also be the third party. So tell me what the goods they are selling. They are not selling. They are already selling their coupon code for you to engage Smart Network, doing some things inside the Smart Network, commenting and doing some other things, some other activities. As you are doing those activities, you understand, there's a way whereby they are also making their own income. But the coupon codes is where Smart Network is paying those that register under them, or for those that refer. Okay, as we move on, consider to be one of the simplest yet one of the most profitable way to earn a living online through networking. It doesn't require high startup cost, yes, or product development time, because it mostly relies on the power of the content marketing such as blog, ads, referral, and social media. Can you see that? So let me just summarize everything. Guys, let me say the truth. Smart Network is an affiliate marketing. Is a network marketing, is an online marketing, meaning that for you to register under Smart Network, if you cannot refer someone, forget about Smart Network paying you. Okay, let me say this is it. You want to sign in. Let us click sign in. Let me say I am new on Smart Network. This is a profile whereby someone is just have registered. You understand? So let us click on new on Smart Network. So now you put your name, you put your last name, you put your email, you put your username, your phone number, your password. But this majorly, it is the only way whereby Smart Network make money, because for you to register you have to meet up with one of their member that will be able to give you a coupon code. Like for me now, if I have registered, for example, I can be the one to meet people for them to get a coupon code for registration, or they come to the website directly and meet with some vendors that can be able to give out the coupon code. So can you see, this is very way. You can just don't have code and you click on get code. See, these are the persons that are the vendors under Smart Network. The vendors outside Nigeria. This one is outside Nigeria. This one is vendors. I think this one should be the vendors that are within Nigeria. So it's all about referrals. If you cannot refer, forget it. At the end of the month, you are not going to get paid. Let me show you something. The reason is this. Normally, all these things the guy said all these things that was sent is real. Okay, join Smart Network and make 300k this week. Are you interested in joining? Do not miss out. This is how it works. How to make money on Smart Network. As a member of the platform, below are the means you can make money. Welcome bonus, yes, you will receive the 2000. It's true. Daily site view, yes, you will receive the 300. Daily smart post, yes, you will receive the 400. The referral bonus, like if you refer someone, you will get paid of 3000 naira. And let me say now, indirect bonus 300, third indirect bonus 100, spin and win 1000. As a non-referral earner, you can potentially earn 700 daily from sharing smart posts and site view or daily login. So they will tell you now that you don't have to refer before you earn. That's what they will say to you. But let me not lie to you. But by the time you register, because they were only doing for their own interest, their own selfishness, you understand? Because when they make you register at the sum of 4000 naira, please, brothers and sisters, this without you referring someone the way the person referred you into the platform, please, there is no money coming for you. That is the true fact. And normally I know a company we have to refer, but this one is mainly based on referral of them. It is through the referral they make money. So that's one thing you need to understand by Smart Network. Smart Network is legit, but if you know that you cannot refer people into this platform when you have not even make any money, when you have not even withdraw any money, if you know that you can be able to refer confused people into this platform, if you know you can, then join Smart Network. But if you know you've not even received money and you know that you cannot even refer people, brother, sister, just leave Smart Network and let Smart Network be smart on its or her own. Bye. Thank you.